Can collaborative networks and DePIN help AI see the world? And is the internet even fast enough for AI perception? Collaborative spatial computing, AI perception, and shared augmented reality require really fast networking because the real physical world doesn't wait for lag. Even when two people or devices are right next to each other, messages traveling between them travel over the internet, and the path from A to B over the internet can be surprisingly long. This is why the posemesh, our protocol for decentralized machine perception, has a globe-spanning network of relay nodes so that devices can find the shortest possible path between each other. We recently conducted an experiment where we rewarded our community for setting up hundreds of relay nodes across the major cloud providers of Web 2. The idea was to benchmark just how fast the traditional internet can be if you took the extreme and cost-prohibitive measure of deploying everywhere. 40,000 volunteer testers performed over 200 million diagnostic tests of the network, and we found that over 40% of connections to the posemesh today are faster than Starlink, and almost 10% of all connections had a latency of under 8 milliseconds. That's fast enough to collaboratively reason about the world at 120 frames per second. And that's on the cloud. Next, we're deploying on the machines that are already in the world in your homes and offices. We believe that in the next 2 decades, tens of billions of devices like robots, AR glasses, and drones will connect to the posemesh to reason about the physical world, and millions of computers will find more meaningful work for their spare compute and bandwidth. Participants are rewarded with the Auki token for lending their spare compute and bandwidth and resources to the network, and the connecting devices, AI, robots, applications, they burn that same token to be able to access the service. It's civilization scale infrastructure, funded, owned, and operated by the people, providing the eyes and ears for the next 100 billion people, devices, and AI on Earth and beyond. Follow us for more.